That seems functional. Let logical colon. Let n integer. So let variable name and then type. Oh, colon for type. Type annotated. It's regular annotation and suffix notation. So I always have to declare. No? No, there's a default. Okay. The type of a variable cannot be changed. So that is. Okay. Okay. Is anybody resting with me? I don't know yet. Short-circuiting logic. True and false is. Integer addition. Integer subtraction. Okay. Bitwise, bit shifts, underscores to improve readability. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, that compiles. Okay. Okay, print line. Var equals 3. No, that shouldn't have a colon. So this has to take a literal. What is going on? Okay, why did I need a semicolon there but not in the other file? Hello, formatting. Oh, right doesn't. Huh. So right will not accept the semicolon afterwards? I'm confused. That seems weird. That seems weird. I don't know. Maybe later. Strange. Alright, tuples are printable. Alright, tuples like Python. And then I can do U32. And then if I print it, then I can say X. So let's try binary. Not binary. How do you just put out the? Is that binary? Well, okay. Unary negation of unsigned. Oh, I'm silly. Interesting. I wonder if it. I wonder if it looks at -2 first and tries to cast it to an I32 or U32 or. Okay, maybe the other way around. Compares arrays. A matrix? Did they define a matrix? Okay, gotcha. They find a struct called a matrix. But what about my bar, my int, what my array. How do I refer to an array? What's the type? How do I indicate the type? I'll just do it by default. My array. I'll change the name of that, so that should be. Fuck. Okay, that should be my int. At least I think I am.
Dude, I saw you. I saw you rusting.
You saw me rusting?
Yeah, dude.
Did you ask? Oh, crispy array. Crispy array.
Like, how do you make an array? Thought I would give my 2 cents.
I think you. It's just like it's actually just like Python. No wait, Python doesn't have arrays.
Oh, again, does syntax look like C?
Yeah, except I don't have to specify the type of an array. That's just smart, because if I have brackets, then what the fuck else could it be?
You have brackets?
Right, because array has brackets, right? And why do I have a compiler?
Well, it could be.
Oh, because an array can't be printed out. It's just like in C. If you want to be able to see out a vector, then you have to define. I don't know. What was that?
Yeah. In C, you would have to define you have to
Yes.
overload the operator.
Yeah. What operator is that? Well, not C, but C plus plus. See out vector. Can you do that?
You have to overload the O stream operator.
Ah. Yeah, that's complicated as fuck. That doesn't make sense. But
Yeah, it's
here,
not very intuitive.
yeah, O stream operator. I wouldn't know
Yeah.
that. But here I can, even though I can, if I make a struct, I don't necessarily have to make it like overload it myself or specify it myself. I can have it derived from the debug, whatever, derived debug. I don't know what that does exactly, but effectively it means that I can use like colon, question mark, and that lets me say I want to print this in debug mode, and it would just, yeah, it works. It just prints out that, and it will do anything. Like if you give it a structure, it will print out like the name of the structure, and then its contents, just like
Dude, sounds like Python.
yeah, except here it's explicit that that's debug. That's debug format. And if you just try to do it without any with just like naked without the debug syntax, then it will say that you didn't. It can't be formatted.
What's your initial impression on this guy?
It seems like well, I'm like comparing it to C, because that's where it fits in the stack, because that's what all the performance, like its performance is comparable to C, but
Oh,
it has a, or not C, C plus plus.
yeah, pretty much the same.
That's true. It's easier to write C plus plus that isn't slow as shit than
Yeah.
C, but it feels, I don't know. I only just figured out how to make a variable, but seems
What?
cool.
Wait,
Well,
what were you?
yesterday I was just printing out shit.
Oh man, it was like when you discovered say.
Say?
Yeah.
Dude, not on the stream, not in public. Okay, so I can index a tuple using.
If it's not the bracket operator, that's kind of weird.
Index. Let me see. Okay, how do I index an array? It's
Is it-
not the bracket. It's not the bracket operator for a tuple.
Wait, it's not the bracket operator?
Well, maybe the bracket operator works, but okay. So array is the bracket operator.
Not a dot at or something like that, is it?
It looks like from the example code, a tuple is just dot.
Dot?
Yep. Let me test it. Okay, the dot did not work with array. So like, hold on. My tuple. Okay, let's try bracket operator. Yeah. The compiler's kind of smart. It asked if I meant a different variable. Clever. My tuple. Yes. So the way you access a tuple is with a dot. So my tuple dot 0 for. That's
Oh.
actually kind of smart, because you would not want to use a tuple for the things you use an array for, and you don't want to get them mixed up. So it makes sense that you'd have different.
I guess that's true.
So the syntax is helpful. Hey, it's already better than C++. But C++ has so much shit. Maybe it has boost.
I don't think I use. Well, yeah, I guess so.
I don't know. I don't know. I never used boost though.
Is Rust supposed to be a math library, like a language?
I don't think so. Well, I feel like some stuff is like inspired by math, because
Well, I mean, like Haskell is too, right?
Haskell is like it's like, I feel like it's supposed to be the functional language. At least, like all this shit has striking anti-mech. Well, I guess functional programming is just mathematical in nature. Like I heard SQL is also. That's why it's so hard to get rid of SQL syntax. Because
Yeah. Well, I don't know if is it supposed to be mathematical in nature?
I've I don't know where I heard this, so I might be wrong, but I've heard it maps very like really nicely to whatever type of mathematics is supposed to inspire a relational database.
I just
So
thought of functional as a way to not make as many mistakes.
yeah, it's equivalent. Functional is from lambda calculus, which is
Oh yeah, yeah.
equivalent
Well,
to
yeah,
yeah.
that would be mathy.
But a Turing machine is also technically math.
That's true, but I think it's a Turing machine is uh, so abstract.
I guess fair. Uh, Turing machine is weird. It's like a machine, but it's an abstract machine. While lambda calculus is just a language. Nor, I guess, is it a language? Seems like a language to me. Dude, I don't know math. I'm not gonna pretend like I know what I'm talking about.
It's okay. I always pretend. Employ the bong strats. Oh crap! Is this...
Wait,
Damn it,
nothing happened.
man! You shouldn't stream. Streaming's dangerous.
This is how I motivate myself. Except when I go home, I'm gonna have to find a different way to stream because I won't have access to this computer.
What? What?
Because at home I have to. I'm only on my laptop. I'm not gonna bring my desktop to Ann Arbor. I mean, home is in Ann Arbor, so I guess I kind of still kind of think of Ann Arbor as home.
Wait, you said home is or isn't Ann Arbor?
When I said home, I referred to Ann Arbor, so I guess that would mean I still think of home as Ann Arbor.
Hey, I do too, man. I do too.
Maybe we'll go back someday.
Well, you work at Google. You might.
But their office is all non-technical. So
Yeah, that's true. That sounds kind of lame.
quaint.
But hey, their office is actually really nice.
You were there? Oh yeah, we went there. Yeah.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
took me there. Dude,
I
it's
feel
so
like
much better than mine.
if you're off campus, it tends to be a nice office. I guess because then the buildings are newer or something.
Oh, really? Damn. All right.
But I mean,
Okay.
the main campus is still nice too. Food doesn't seem as good though.
Food doesn't seem good.
As good.
Oh,
Like in California. Maybe
yeah,
that's because they're trying too hard.
Import glob
That sounds like Python.
is Python.
But I feel like Python is easier to learn because when people say
Yeah.
that Python, a declarative language, you tell the computer what to do, and then a functional language, you tell the computer what it should be. So, but like if you don't know,
Functional language, you tell it what it should be.
yeah. So in like for like in my mind, the example that I always think of is like if I want to convert a list and to a map based on some rule, then like if I were coming from a C++ or Python background, I would like make a for loop, or maybe I would do a list iteration, and then I would say I want to iterate through the list, and then for each member of the list, I generate some value, and then I have a key value, and then I just add those into the dictionary. And man, I can hear myself. This is tracking.
The list comprehension though, isn't that pretty similar to
I
like
think
a
so.
functional?
Yeah.
Yeah. The
Wait.
for loop is clearly not, but
Yeah.
the list comprehension seems like it's well, like range-based for loops kind of seem like functional programming
But
too, right?
I think it's better because a range-based for loop is just I want to do this for every element of a container.
Exactly.
But-
Exactly. You could abstract that out and write like a function that does that.
Right, you
And
can
then,
like write wrapper functions, but if you have you can have wrapper functions that like add some syntactic tree. Both the range-based for loop in like C++ for whatever colon whatever, I would still have to tell it I want to do this operation on this element of the container, and then I want to take that pair and put it into my container, and I want to do that for every element.
that's what, yeah. No, that would not be.
And I think a more functional way to do that with like Haskell got me
Yeah,
used to the
you would
idea
you'd
like a
want to,
one line.
combine them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
write a lambda, and then you pass the lambda with your list and some wrapper function, and then it
Yeah.
would figure out. So I think it's like there. It seems like there's more restriction on what you can do in the language, but because of that, it can make some optimizations,
Yeah.
which is kind of cool.
I mean, like, like, what is it? Yeah, yeah, I agree. You're right. Um, shit. I'm distracted with my translator.
That's all right.
Dude, I hate coming up with variable names. I'm so bad at it.
Why don't you do like A, B, C, D?
Holy crap.
You can go back to academia with that.
Oh my god, I just called it run. What the fuck? um,
I feel like it's okay to just and then just come up with a really long variable name. That seems alright.
I think it's okay. I think very long, as long as people like know what it says, I think that's fine.
Yeah.
But like sometimes you come up with like a short name that makes no sense. All right. What is OS? Oh, system. So weird. Oh, that's. Oh, what is that? Join. Hello. Oh my god. Python, please. Okay.
Oh. I can compile and run in one command with cargo.
Compile and run in one command.
Yeah.
Sounds like math.
Sounds like what? Make?
Sounds like magic.
Magic?
No, it doesn't do that. I guess you could make do that.
Yeah. The simple way to do that was just write a bash script that takes the variable in, and then it just compiles, and then and run whatever the name of the program is.
That sounds hacky. That's not elegant.
But it's doing one thing. That's bash, man. Is that bash or is that Unix? That's Unix. Unix.
Yo, I hate I still can't read bash very well. Like I still have no idea what's happening when I read like a shell script. I just have no idea what's happening.
Damn, how big are those shell scripts?
It's so obscure. Well, I mean, like I don't write them anymore. I'm just saying, like when I see some, like I think I've like replaced every shell script I have with Python.
Makes sense. Python's definitely scales better, right?
Well, I mean, it's just more readable. Like if I have a shell script, I don't really care about performance. It's really just to do something.
Oh, I mean, like if you like scaling isn't if you have a big shell script versus a big Python script, then.
Oh yeah, for sure. You don't want to have to like source everything.
Yeah, I don't even know how to do math in Bash.
Math in Bash?
Let's try it. Does 1 plus 2 give me 3? No, 1 command. Not bad. Yep.
It's kind of confusing, dude.
Actually, all I'd use Bash for is like if I have one command that I have to run multiple times, but it's too long to.
Yeah, just write like a for loop for that.
Not even for it was just like one command with like 10 arguments, and it's like random in my directory.
So you don't have to write it again.
Yeah, so I'll just write it, and then I'll do bash, then my scripts in my home directory.
What am I doing?
Alright, I'm gonna copy this guy's bash script.
Alright, let's see. Did it work?
Are you doing work because you have to, or for fun?
No. It's because I have to.
Oh, yeah.
This is not for fun.
Okay.
What is it? Just work for fun, dude.
Or
Besides
like
there.
because you're interested.
Oh. No, this I think is well, I mean it's probably be interesting eventually. Oh no, I think that's okay. Alright. You enjoy the work you're doing?
It seems chill. I guess I'm still in the honeymoon period.
Or what?
I guess I'm still in the honeymoon period, so I enjoy it. Sometimes I just
Good.
check my tests to make sure they're working. Because they're flaky.
Oh fuck me. Alright, that's bullshit. Holy crap. Oh, are you serious? Holy crap.
That sounds intense. What's going on?
I had I created directory on accident. I was trying to use some glob shit and then I screwed it up. So I created a directory that was named asterisk. And I tried to remove it.
Oh shit! Did it
Holy
actually
crap.
execute?
Good thing I didn't do an RF. That would have been bad.
How did you get rid of it? Use quotes?
Yeah. Yeah, you can use quotes to get rid of it. Holy crap. That is so stupid. What the fuck? Why didn't it work? Oh my god. That was so retarded. Holy shit.
Actually, how do I VirtualBox, is this Terminator or VirtualBox?
Terminator or VirtualBox? I don't know.
The
Hunters. There's only one of them? What? Oh, I am so done. Holy crap. Wow.
I'm doing why is it not giving me that register?
You're looking at registers? Holy shit.
But, no, I'm just trying to do like cut paste from system clipboard. Like double quote.
Oh. Star Y?
Oh no, I'm trying to paste, so double quote star P. Okay.
Okay. Or you could just try pasting from your clipboard.
Wait. That's wait. Why doesn't Vim have different registers? Did they change that in Vim 8?
Is your Vim compiled with plus clipboard to a Vim version? If you don't have plus clipboard, then you can't do it.
Vim version or Vim dash version?
Dash version or dash B.
Okay. Vim dash. Oh, from the command from bash. All right. Plus clipboard.
Yeah. Do you have one?
Minus clipboard. All right.
Rip. Yep. Rip.
Whoa, shit. That motherfucking where I. The place where I got the Vim 8 compiled without the clipboard.
Yeah. Rip.
Wait, I have to fix that.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
as shit now. God damn it.
Is what?
It's cold now.
Oh, how cold is it over there?
Like 30s.
Oh damn, it's like 40s, 50s over here. I went to work in shorts.
Yeah, fuck you, man.
Yeah, that's what everybody at work said.
What?
I feel like at one point I'll be able to do Rust and then actually just do Rust.
What do you mean by that?
And now I'm trying to figure out where the fuck I installed Vim8 from. Fuck!
Oh, that's
Okay.
what you mean.
Okay, I figured it out. And now, okay.
What the hell? Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Ah. I'm so used.
What?
I'm getting all my languages mixed up now.
Oh, you programming languages.
It's just Python and R. I get them mixed up. Like just the syntax.
Well, I did R for like a few weeks, and I don't know anything about it.
R is not a. I wouldn't say R is a pretty language.
I was about to say. I thought you were about to say, R isn't a language.
R isn't a language?
It's a statistics package.
Language.
It is a package, but you use it for the stats packages, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean that's. I think that's the biggest pro of R.
Yeah.
It's all the things that other people built on it.
Has anybody?
Oh, I'm retarded. I'm retarded. Holy fuck. Ah.
Oh, you good?
What'd you say?
Has anybody at work talked about Julia or Python?
Well, Python for sure. Julia, not so much. Julia, I've only heard people mention on like Kaggle and shit.
Do they like it?
Well, supposed to be very mathy. I fucked up again. What?
Oh my god. 1 hour and 40 minutes. 1 hour, 20 minutes.
Reloading something?
I have to download like 400, 500 megabytes of source code. And through apt-get, it's gonna take... Oh, it's speeding up. No, it's not. It's still gonna take an hour. Alright. Well, okay. So does that mean that I can just Control V? I don't have a clipboard?
Maybe. I think you'd be better off like shift clicking and hitting paste.
Shift clicking and hitting paste. Alright.
Shift right click.
This works in Tmux? I don't have Tmux mouse mode, man. If I
Oh, you don't have Tmux mouse mode? I think this is a terminal thing. You try it. Shift right click. Do you have an option to paste?
I do.
Alright.
I should probably be in insert mode first.
Probably.
And that didn't do it. Alright. What else can I do? Well, now something happened. What the fuck?
Oh, I finally did it. Damn. Alright. Feels good.
I feel like it makes my terminal freeze.
What does? Dude, just... You why? I don't...
Okay, I'm just gonna...
I don't know why you don't dual boot.
Why do I don't dual boot? Well, if I dual booted, I would still have to install Vim8.
Oh yeah, well you would, but it's just everything's native, so you don't.
Dude,
it doesn't freeze.
Oh, I feel like that's a software bug. This one, because I allocated like 3 processors, or three.
I feel like there's always some sort of latency.
No, sure. But hey, man, what am I gonna do with my 12 virtual cores if I'm not gonna use them?
Holy shit! Oh wait, I have that too, but I just don't have as many PCI links.
When are you gonna get your second 1080?
I'm not.
You're not. Damn.
I'm not. There's definitely no way. Oh shit! It worked. I think
That's pretty sick.
I got. Yeah, that bullshit. There's 8 of them. Alright, I buy that.
I hate my life. I'm going to gedit.
It could always be worse.
That's true.
Life can always be worse, dude.
That's
You could be,
absolutely true. I could be like using Sublime.
Holy shit. Alright.
Okay.
I gotta remember you're on stream.
I'm kidding. Sublime is chill. It's probably better for web dev. Oh man. It's not even. Nah, man, that's not bad. That's not a bad thing. Oh man. Now the stream is just in suspense. Like that JM guy he's gonna PM me again.
Yeah. I was thinking of making an account called BM channel, just joining your stream.
Holy crap. Wait, are tuples mutable?
In
Python, no. But Rust have.
Python.
In Python, no. Python, they're not meant to be. What about this language?
Yeah.
Well, I guess you can just override the variable, so that doesn't actually tell me anything. In Python, you just give the object a different. Well, give the variable a different object. That's not mutability.
Yeah, that's not mutability. That's just overriding the variable.
Yeah. But what if I try to do that here? So it can't change types. That's fine. Hello. What? Oh. Wow. Okay, that actually makes sense. If you change the number of elements in a tuple. Okay, how about let me. Okay, so Rust seems functional.
Oh really? I mean, most languages can
put in the functional style, yeah. But Rust, you have to specify that a variable is immutable if you want to change it in the future.
You have to specify it?
Yeah, like let.
Oh, so by default they're not.
Yep, which is a good thing.
Okay.
That was a good thing. Well, yeah, I guess it's like the difference between constant and not, but by default it's constant.
Yeah.
That's good. I think that makes more sense. Better design choice.
What am I doing?
Are there consts in Python, or do you have to make an object for that yourself?
I have no idea. I don't know how.
Dude,
Python
fuck
works.
Python. I don't. Well, I guess Python's
I feel like there isn't.
I've never seen it, but I've never really seen production Python already. Yeah, I've never really worked with it, so I wouldn't know. I heard the argument for like, I feel like Java scales somewhat well because the IDE handles so much of the junk as you get to really, really huge projects. And it's like Python, I feel like you can't do that because there's no like, it's like scoping and shit. That's so they play so loose with that. But I've heard that it's like it forces you to write good code, which I don't know.
In Python or in Java?
Python, like Java, you can write a bazillion imports. And it doesn't have module support, so it's hard to get around that. But in Python, if you have like a bazillion imports, that's unreadable. Then you can just aggregate them into modules. And it's like, oh, that forces you to write good code. Wait, what?
Aren't there are frameworks in Java that manage modules and packages for you, right? Or when you say module, do you mean a package?
Maybe like if I have 100,000 lines of Java code, then I'm probably gonna have we have a bazillion imports in our code. Well, at least some of our code. Well, not a bazillion, just a lot of imports. I think Java's so verbose. And like
Java what?
Java's so verbose.
Oh, I've seen, so I've worked with Java only very briefly, but to manage those, we use like Maven and Spring to manage package dependencies,
Oh
and
yeah, yeah.
essentially,
We have something like that too. Like it has to be automated. Nobody
yeah,
can
yeah, yeah,
actually do that.
exactly.
It's
It's like some third party thing, and then you end up just configuring like an XML or something.
yep. Um,
Yeah,
yeah, and
yeah, I don't know how you would do it otherwise.
yeah, you have to have
So
an
we don't
IDE if you code
need.
Java. When people say like, "Oh, with Python, it forces you to write good code because you can fuck yourself over so easily with bad code,"
Oh,
and
that's probably true.
I feel like that's a dubious. Or I don't like the argument. I think I like Rust.
You do like it?
I think I like it just because of that mutability thing. I have to specify that's mutable to make it mutable. I think
Damn, dude,
it's
so easily swayed.
it's like a functional C++, man. This is what I've been looking for my whole life.
Uh, is that, that is it, right? That's it. Oh, I am retarded. I am retarded. Holy crap.
Oh, that's interesting. There's another way that you can get around it. You can come. It's like a. You can override that, but basically, you're not reassigning. You just. I guess that is. I guess that is reassigning.
What are you trying to do?
So
Still
like,
the tuple?
so to continue with like, C++. Once you name a variable something in a scope,
Uh-huh.
there's no way to rename that, right? Or like if you have an int blah, that you can't make blah a string, right? There's no way to do that if it's a
Int
primitive.
blah, you can't make blah a string.
Yeah, you can't make
You
it.
can have two x's. So you got int x equals
Oh,
3 and string x equals y.
got.
Or hello.
How do you specify which one you want then?
Uh,
Do you have to specify the type whenever you
if
call
it's
it?
unambiguous, it resolves it.
Otherwise, compile error.
I think so. Yes.
That is fucked up.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me try to do that now.
Yeah.
In Rust, you can just completely. Let me think. You just completely override a variable. You can take a variable and like you can do let my tuple equals a tuple, and then you don't have to make it mutable. You just use let, and let will basically overwrite it completely.
That's Python too, right? Or
Let.
that's
But
well
Python,
not.
Python, you can just do whenever you want. I think, like you can just say
Yeah.
x equals one, x equals string.
Yeah. Oh,
Or
you're saying there's a keyword let that you
when you,
have to use?
yeah, when you first declare a variable, well, when you declare the variable for the first time, you have to use the let keyword. And
Oh.
later,
Damn,
if
dude,
you go what?
man, that brings back too much Bash nightmares.
Oh yeah. Oh, let. Let is bash. Wait, was let in Python too?
Bash. I don't know if let's in Python, let's in Bash.
Okay. Maybe I saw it in Python. Maybe that's okay. So if you have let, then you have to use let when you declare for the first time, and you have to and let is like the ultimate keyword. It lets you just create a new variable, and it will overwrite the previous one. I
Uh,
think. I don't know what happens with the memory really. I assume I assume with this kind of language, it just overwrites it. It assumes you don't want the whatever was in the previous variable anymore. That's
Yeah.
I assume that's how it can get by without a garbage collector.
That would make sense. I feel like maybe I should have gone to Google just to learn good coding style.
Nah, man, you're a samurai or a ninja.
No, it's pretty garbo here. It's actually pretty disgusting here, dude.
There's also good work-life balance.
It is. I think it is. Like, I can do whatever. I mean, right now this is all self-inflicted. Okay.
Self-inflicted.
Well, like me staying up till 1:30 to do stuff, it's pretty much self-inflicted.
But that's pretty badass though.
But also I'm a little, well, first of all, jobs are easier to run at this time because
Oh yes, dude. That I feel the same thing too.
what do you mean?
Like sometimes it's 1 a.m. and I was like, oh, I know nobody else is on the cluster. I just run
Oh,
jobs now.
yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, wait, you guys have a cluster as well?
We have many clusters.
Damn, dude. It's like everyone uses a cluster except for Harry.
I don't know what.
Actually, well, I imagine Eric uses a cluster as well for something.
Well, he's doing apps, so I guess he can just run it on his not Pixel phone.
He's doing what?
He's like doing an app, right? So he doesn't. He can just run it
Oh,
on his phone. That is not
Harry?
a Pixel. Yeah. Dude, have you played with Pixel? It feels like an iPhone, and that is pretty sweet.
It looked like an iPhone.
Like,
Oh, fuck. Everything's breaking. God damn it.
well, it's a compiler error, right? Is it?
Oh, it's a config error.
Oh, that sucks.
Christ. Oh, I am retarded. I am retarded.
Okay, time to actually do this challenge. Add the format display trait to the struct above. Okay.
Is that a Rust challenge?
What?
Is it a Rust challenge?
Yeah, I guess it's not a challenge. It's part of the tutorial. It's
Oh, well, they called it a challenge, so now you're taking it as a challenge.
Oh yeah, that's how I vote myself. Implement Rust display for I don't know, matrix. And so function format. Yeah, I don't fucking know, man. I'm so fucked. I remember in 183 I was like, I don't have to know syntax off the top of my head. I can just look it up.
I thought that's. Wait, I thought that was. I think that applies kind of.
Yeah, but I have to know some shit for the test.
Oh yeah. There's a tremendous speed up if you know some common ones though.
Common what?
Like just common syntax.
Oh. Yeah, that's true. But it's like, if you know the C family, then you can pick up Java super fast. Like, there's just paradigm differences.
Yeah.
And if it's good code, then it shouldn't be too hard to figure
Good
that out.
code, you could just read it, right?
Yeah. Well,
Really?
hopefully. They're good frameworks. They're good frameworks. Yeah, seems legit.
Dude, I do want to try to build something.
That'd be pretty
Build
sweet.
them. All our building ambitions just end up going to League.
because all our ideas were league related, if I recall. It's the best of ideas and the worst of ideas.
Man, I feel so retarded. You remember that time? Instead of writing just like multi-threaded code, I was like, copy paste the script. I could have just done it in Bash. Just run a background process or some shit.
Right.
Yeah, or we just like have like, oh man.
I didn't know anything about concurrency. All I heard was concurrency is fucking hard as shit. So I was like, oh, I don't want to do concurrency now. It's gonna take.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna take too long. But actually, it's not too bad.
Now you know. I don't know how to do it in Python. I feel like it would be pretty easy,
Concurrency.
right? Isn't Python supposed to like make everything easy or some shit?
Good question. We could have used Go or Rust. Apparently, Rust and Go both have really good concurrency abstractions.
Rust. I think I might want to try Haskell. Haskell's cool.
Yeah, I've barely got.
Or Julia. Julia's.
Oh yeah, you're like working with data, so maybe Julia. But I don't know how the package situation works. Yeah, fuck. This is just like it main all over again, except this seems kind of worse. I feel like once I learn like the functional paradigm a little more, then it'll.
You say like it's like int main.
At like beginning, there's like, what do I have to do to write hello world in C++? I have to do the pound include IOStream, the using namespace, int main, bracket, and then return 0. And none of those things, like that's not even including print or cout, and none of those things make any sense to me at the beginning, because I don't know what any of that shit does.
I agree.
But now I can just reason it out. Well, I guess have it memorized a little, but it makes sense what I'm doing somewhat. I still don't get namespaces completely.
Namespaces?
Well, I guess I get namespaces, but I just have never had to work with them. I just have to get it so that I'm in the right namespace.
I thought we used namespaces in 467.
Yeah, we did. But like that stuff was so easy to understand what the namespace was allowing us to do that I wouldn't call that understanding.
Wait, it's just like you're supposed to like grouping stuff together.
Oh yeah, that's like a use of namespaces, but I don't know like how it works under the hood.
Oh, under the hood. Oh, that's some strange like name mangling shit.
Names. And namespace is C++? I'd assume so.
Yeah, they're in C++.
Or are they C? The original C.
What the fuck?
I don't know
Alright.
what the ampersand does. That sucks. Oh well.
I know it does in Bash. Do you know that ampersand is like when you write like a Bash command,
Yeah.
you can, like end a line or end a statement with a semicolon?
Yeah. Yeah.
You get the ampersand also ends it. So if you were trying to write something like the semicolon is like sequential.
Yeah, but the ampersand is ampersand means run, or it allows you to run the previous thing, what's before the ampersand, in the background.
Yeah. So I mean, like, so if you wanted to write like a for loop, just run like 10 things in the background.
Yeah.
Like you write for something, like for I.
Oh, that's what you mean by the bash script being concurrent. Yeah, that would have been super easy.
Yeah, dude.
And
that's...
also learned that and pipe are actually just Boolean notations that also do short circuiting.
Oh, really? I did not know that.
So like pipe is or in C++ or like most languages.
Yeah.
So if you have a flaky test, you can do bang bang or bang bang or bang bang pipe pipe bang bang pipe pipe bang bang pipe pipe. And the way short circuiting works is what if it looks at the first one, if it's true it will stop, but if it's false it will go to the next one. And if
What
that's
the hell?
and if that's true it'll stop, right? Because it's just think of a bowling alley. If the test fails, it's false. If the test succeeds, it's true.
Bang bang or.
Bang bang pipe pipe bang bang pipe pipe. Probably with spaces in between. I think it's pretty sweet. But you probably don't have flaky tests as much. If your shit's flaky, that's probably a problem.
Yeah, that's probably true. What the fuck? All right. Yeah. Now things are pretty deterministic here. Everything that's random needs a seed.
What?
I said everything that's random needs a seed.
Dude, that's philosophy.
Oh my god, seriously.
Phew, that's huge, and I have to import that shit. Import. I forgot how to import. Use standard format. That's not a tuple? What the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck is that if it's not a tuple?
I'm gonna let this run till tomorrow. It's not working. Whatever. Fuck it.
Maybe you'll fix
Fuck it.
itself.
Alright.
Oh, fuck. Fuck.
Alright. Oh man, what should I... Am I tired? I don't feel like I'm tired. I should probably go sleep.
Well, how much do you sleep? Seems like you don't sleep very much.
Yeah, I don't really. I don't know why. Pretty stupid. I think I sleep like 5 to 6 hours a night.
I feel like I'll have a hard time functioning with that.
It's awful sleep reasons. Man. Alright. Alright, I'm going to sleep. I'll talk to you tomorrow probably.
Seems legit. I'll probably be rusting
Okay.
again. See you, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
I actually don't quite know. I also have to think. I just think the percent sign. It's only a shortcut for 1 comma. Oh, okay, so it's just a range. literal surrounded by parentheses. Okay. Let matrix. Oh, tuples can be deconstructed. I didn't notice that. That's pretty cool. Implement format display for oh rip. That would have been awkward. Okay, it seems like tuples have to be printed in debug mode. Sure, because the container... There's no way. Okay. Oh. That should be print line. There we go. Maybe we'll have them do that. There should be an empty line. Yep. Transpose. Using the reverse function as a template. Transpose. Matrix. Matrix. To the return type. Matrix. Then I'm going to... What does reverse do? That's how you write a function. The last line is the return value. Oh! So that's what was going on. That's why I don't have a semicolon on the last line, because the last line is the return value. I suppose. I guess by default, there has to be some other way with control flow. Okay. I guess I would reverse the first line. And... Wow. That's elegant. Anyway, it has to create a return value because this is a function. It doesn't mutate, so it's going to create a return value. So, matrix let integer a b equals reverse. What is a transposition? Oh, it only reverses the second and third. I'm silly. I should probably known that, but I did not. A, B, C, D equals matrix. A, C, C, B, D. Print line transpose matrix. Expected matrix found tuple. Okay, first off, C style constructor syntax. Don't think this will work. Instead, type description is experimental. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, Tmux does not like it when I try to scroll up. That's really annoying. Oh, because Tmux is not in Vim mode. Holy crap. Not in Vim mode. Check on that. Other bullshit. Oh, okay. Finish building. just gonna follow this. Damn it. Okay, but there are two ways to indicate type, he said. Ret matrix equals okay. How do I return a struct? Alright. Okay, what am I? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Last function. Last line is an expression. Rust constructor. Rust constructor. That's how we have to do it. Yikes. There has to be a better way. This is Rust, man. matrix colon colon A C B D. Expected type matrix. Oh, an enum. Oh, fuck! That's an enum. God damn it. Okay, what am I doing? Please. Yikes. And I'm in C now. I'm in C++. Oh, is that what let's talk about with the tuple struct? Wait, I was right in the beginning. What did I do wrong? So stupid. But that doesn't work either. How did they deconstruct the thing? Let equals tuple. Fuck. Why don't I read my... Okay, return values. Jesus. Shit. Okay. When I was deconstructing it, I messed up. Okay. That's cool. Isn't sugary, sugar tastes sweet. Sugar is sweet. Okay, this is gonna be my last one. Slices. Array is a collection of objects of type T stored in contiguous memory. Slice is a two-word object. The first word is a. Slices are similar to arrays, so it's not. I assume it's not like array slicing. The size is known at compile time. Okay, that's important. It's part. The size is part of their type signature. I see. Okay. Collection of objects, as opposed to tuple, this is a collection of values of different types. Array is a collection of objects of the same type. Arrays are created using brackets and their size, which is okay. Oh my god. The difference in Python is there are no differences in Rust in the mutability of tuples and arrays, and arrays in, well, I guess Python we're talking about lists, not arrays. But Rust, a Rust array has to have elements of the same type, just like a C array. Slices, though, are similar to arrays, but their size is not known at compile time. So, slice is a two-word object. The first word is a pointer. Second word is the length. Slices can be used to borrow a section of the array, have the type as a signature. So there exist pointers. There exist pointers. Can I print out the memory address? I can. This is like C++. So Rust has memory addresses, is what it sounds like. Okay. Vim array.rs. Yeah, Rust is intense. Length is 5, but the index is 5. Huh. Thread name panicked at or index out of bounds. So mine is 5. This calls that a panic. Okay. But the index is 5. Run with Rust backtrace equals 1 for a backtrace. Alright, how can I resist? I actually don't know how to do that. Rust C array. Oops. RS. Array backtrace Rust backtrace equals 1. what I'm doing. Okay, we'll worry about that later. Fixed size array. Type signature is superfluous. Sure. Okay, it has a type and it has, so these are both semicolon. Okay, two ways to write an array. One is to just list all the elements. The second way is to, well, the second way is to type. The type has the type of the elements inside, and it has the, it's much less verbose, which is obvious, or I guess not obvious. It may just make sense. And how many elements are in the array? Fixed size array. All elements can be initialized to the same value. Okay, it doesn't have, I guess it, well, Haskell's infinite lists are lists, not arrays, so that's just different. And I like it. I still don't know what a Python list is. I guess it's array list, but I don't really know what that is either. I guess I can get an idea, but I haven't really thought it through. All elements can be initialized to the same value. Let y. Okay. That tells the initial value and how many elements. Okay. That actually just makes a lot of sense. This is type. These are a couple ways to write it, and this is nice. It is nice. Okay. Indexing starts at 0. Sure. Seems like everything else in this language. Length returns the size of the array. And I'm gonna, it has to be the other one, right? The other control. Length returns the size of the array. Dot length, not like Python. I like this. Indicates that length is a property of the array. Or it's like, it's a method. I think that's cool. It might be a C. And indexing starts at 0. Sure, yes. Arrays are stack allocated. Arrays can be automatically borrowed as slices. Analyze slice. And it's declared up here. And, see. Okay. Vim marks. Holy crap. I forgot how to use this. Set a mark, that's what I did. Oh. Oops. Oh, okay. I had a use apostrophe to jump. Or the other code thing to jump. Okay. Analyze slice. First element of the slice is a slice has analyze slice. Okay. Analyze slice. So ampersand. It's not just a slice that length. Arrays can be automatically analyzed as slices. Alright. Slices can point to a section of the array. 1.4. Okay. Second element to the fifth element. And slice has, oh no, it's not inclusive at the end. It's inclusive at the front, next to the fifth. At the end. So that it would be 3 elements. Okay. I assume this will complain. No. Okay, that is cool. That is. mechanics. What about indexing yields a panic? And the last one, I'm interested in I want to slice it, and then I want to two-word object. Does this really complain? No. But if I want to format a string, I want to put it in debug mode, and then I wanna do that, and that is the slice. Okay, okay. What about 1.4? So behind the end, it seems to be different. Yeah. Containers will not have whatever. So I'm getting mixed messages. Does that mean that this implies that I actually can't work with memory addresses, doesn't it? Well, there's a memory address. It tells me how big a memory address is. So. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. Java hash attack. It is not possible, but I can get oh, colon pointer. Pointer. Pointer, pointer, pointer. I was wrong. Wow. Cool. Well, I guess that means I'm done with arrays. Awesome. Alright. Maybe that's it. How long is this one? Well, hour 40 minutes. I know distracted. Sorry, gamer under 98. I am not playing the game Rust. Maybe I should put that in the stream description. Oh well. I'm trying to learn Rust, the language. Alright.